I'm Priscilla, and I'm one of the chalkers for Chalk of the Day. I first got started doing it because it was just a way for me to find an escape from the typical routine of MIT. Really let me, with my partner Jessica, to kind of artistically experiment and challenge ourselves in ways that really ended up surprising us.
I think it's nice because we're all very busy, and so setting us apart an hour every week to do something artistic and not think about work is really nice.
I'm Sarah, I'm a senior, and I've been chalking since freshman year, so it's been like 6 semesters.
Awesome! What if it was like a... Oh, diagonal? Yeah, let's just do like this.
I'm Charlene, I'm a senior, and I study computer science here at MIT. But yeah, then it'd be like, yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, so I feel like that's like a good middle size.
Nice. Yeah. Let's look at pictures of snowflakes.
Words are really powerful, and so being able to kind of like convey the meaning of the word through like the way that you write it is like kind of interesting to me. There is like a creative process that I have to engage, but like it's a totally different way that I approach a math problem versus the way that I approach like a blank canvas.
Okay. Like slightly less though.
It puts a smile on people's faces. It spreads a positive message to people who pass by. It also hopefully encourages other people to pursue some form of art and to be more creative in their everyday life.